Nobody sweet talks you into debt. You swipe, you tap, you treat yourself. And one morning, you wake up with a credit card bill that makes your stomach drop. Sound familiar?
Here's the thing nobody tells you in your 20s.
Overspending isn't a phase. It's a pattern. And without a plan, it follows you into your 30s, your 40s, your whole life. No savings, no investments, no clue where your paycheck even went. You're not bad with money. You were just never taught how it actually works.
That's exactly why this book exists.
Wealth Management for Young Adults breaks it all down. Budgeting, saving, investing in a way that finally makes sense. No jargon, no lectures, just real strategies you can start using today.
This isn't about getting rich
Overnight, it's about building habits that compound. So, 5 years from now, you're not stressing about rent. You're building real wealth. Your future self is counting on you. Stop guessing. Start managing. Grab Wealth Management for Young Adults right now. The link is in the description. Your wallet will thank you.